Let me ask you something. Have you noticed that staying strong feels harder than it used to? Less muscle, slower recovery, less energy. If you are over 40, this is not random. It is part of aging. Today, I am reviewing a supplement designed specifically to fight age-related muscle loss. This is Advanced Amino Formula. Losing muscle as you age is far more common than most people realize. Even adults who stay active often notice reduced strength, less endurance, and slower recovery over time. Advanced Amino Formula has gained attention because it targets this exact problem without extreme workouts or complicated routines. In this review, I will explain what it is, how it works, who it is best for, and what results you can realistically expect. Advanced Amino Formula is a dietary supplement created to support muscle maintenance, strength, and recovery as you age. It is designed for both men and women who want to stay active, independent, and physically capable. This is not a protein powder, and that is exactly why it is different. Instead of flooding your body with excess protein, it delivers essential amino acids, the exact building blocks your muscles actually need. As we get older, the body becomes less efficient at using dietary protein. Even if you eat well, your muscles do not absorb nutrients the same way they used to. Advanced Amino Formula is designed to solve this problem. It provides essential amino acids the body cannot produce on its own. It supports muscle protein synthesis. It helps slow down age-related muscle breakdown, and it improves recovery, making it easier to stay consistent with physical activity. With consistent use, Advanced Amino Formula may help slow muscle loss as you age. It supports lean muscle maintenance. It helps with strength and physical performance. It improves recovery after daily activity or exercise, and it is suitable for both men and women. Most importantly, it is easy to add to a daily routine. This makes it ideal for adults who want to stay mobile, active, and confident without extreme workouts. The formula focuses on essential amino acids, which are the foundation of muscle tissue. Key components include leucine, isoleucine, and valine. Leucine plays a major role in activating muscle protein synthesis. Isoleucine supports energy use and muscle endurance. Valine helps reduce muscle breakdown during activity. Together, these amino acids support muscle health at a cellular level. The formula avoids unnecessary fillers and focuses only on what muscles truly need. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. The pros. It is designed specifically for age-related muscle support. It focuses on essential amino acids instead of excess protein. It works for both men and women. It is easy to use daily, and it is based on real nutritional science. The cons. It is not a replacement for a balanced diet. Results require consistent daily use, and it is available only through the official website. This is not a miracle product. It is a realistic, science-based approach. Advanced Amino Formula may be a good option if you are experiencing muscle loss or reduced strength with age. It is ideal if you want to maintain lean muscle mass, if you want to stay active or become more active, and if you prefer a practical, science-based nutritional approach. It is commonly used by adults in the United States, Canada, and Australia who want long-term muscle support. You should avoid using this supplement or consult a professional if you are under 18. If you are pregnant or nursing, if you have a medical condition affecting protein metabolism, or if you expect rapid or guaranteed muscle growth. Responsible expectations are important. Advanced Amino Formula is designed for gradual, realistic results. Most users report improved muscle endurance after several weeks. They also notice better recovery after physical activity and easier maintenance of strength with consistent use. Results depend on age, diet, activity level, and consistency. The best results usually happen when the supplement is paired with light resistance training and proper nutrition. To use Advanced Amino Formula correctly, take it daily as directed on the label. Use it consistently at the same time each day if possible. Stay hydrated. Maintain regular physical activity. Consistency plays a major role in long-term results. Advanced Amino Formula is manufactured following standard supplement quality practices. The amino acids used are commonly found in the human diet and are generally well tolerated when taken as directed. Do not exceed the recommended dosage. If you take medication, consult a healthcare professional. Stop use if any unusual reaction occurs. When used responsibly, it fits well into most adult wellness routines. Advanced Amino Formula is available exclusively through the official website. Buying from the official source helps ensure you receive the authentic product, access to guarantees, and reliable customer support. Avoid third-party sellers to reduce the risk of counterfeit or outdated products. The official link is in the description. So, is Advanced Amino Formula worth it? If your goal is to protect muscle mass, support strength, and improve recovery as you age, the answer is yes. It is not a shortcut. But for men and women willing to stay consistent, it offers a realistic, science-based solution for long-term muscle health. If maintaining strength, mobility, and independence matters to you, Advanced Amino Formula is worth considering. If you want the official website link, check the description below. Thanks for watching.